Buenos dias.
I'll be alright.
Gonna hit a 20-kilometer run, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I'm ready. We haven't been training too much. We got the marathon coming up in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
2 weeks. So yeah, we're gonna test the water with a solid 20 kilometers. It's been a bit difficult for me to keep a good running schedule with how busy we are currently. So vanochtend eindelijk even dat equity proposal uitgestuurd naar voor die verpakkingsfabriek. Bro, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. More ready than you.
Probably, yeah. And as we're walking here in Dubai, this guy with a very specific t-shirt passes us. And it's the t-shirt of the Verona Marathon, the one I ran in Italy. Bro, you really can't make this shit up, man. What the hell? I also ran Verona.
Ah, this year?
Yeah, this year.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
42?
42. Incredible.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, nice to meet
Thank
you
you so
guys.
much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
Nice to meet
Bye-bye. Different week, same routine. Heading to Shanghai this week. Last few days in Dubai. Gonna have some lunch right now. E and I just got a run in. Bro, going to Shanghai again, man. Better pricing.
On product en on shipping. Moet hoor dit.
Stoppen, ja man.
Ja, man.
Sick. Yeah, well, this is the dungeon.
We see like a Chinese family pulling up from the door, and he says like just 2 words in Chinese. He's like, what the fuck? and then he starts spitting in Chinese. Where you from? This and that. And what do you want? And you see that mom like that.
You're from the US, yeah?
Yeah.
Which part?
New Mexico.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Like Breaking Bad shit.
I said the same.
The only reason people even know of New Mexico, right?
I'm sometimes even more happy with the brands that didn't work than with the brands that did. What the hell?
Entered the country as a tourist, and now we're leaving the country as a resident. Dubai is home now. We're getting it set up here in Dubai. You're gonna see this airport a lot more often, bro.
Back, nobody thought I was leaving. Cool.
You got a new cameraman, eh? Hey.
We've switched roles.
Tell me, bro.
Well, where are we at? What are we doing?
Good question, bro. Just look around. We are in China, Shanghai, getting our fingerprints in because we are about to take over this country in it, yeah? I've been in Hong Kong many times, but now like the first time visiting mainland China, factory visits, partners visits, and me and Daniel opening a local office in Shanghai, which is out of this world. If you would have asked me this 5 years ago, man, I would never have believed you, bro. Having a local office in Shanghai with literally local people working there, speaking Chinese, English, and other languages, man, out of this world.
I cannot believe this, bro. So Ethan wasn't allowed in on a transit visa because his flight out of China was with a layover in Abu Dhabi to Barcelona. So we had to pull strings in ways that I never thought I could go this way. But we got him in. Bro, that was scary, man. I thought I had to ship you back to somewhere. Oh my god,
Yeah,
dude.
it looks like you had doubts for a moment.
Oh my god, I cannot believe this.
So grateful for this guy being able to speak Chinese.
So I propose and I say I do, and we'll run to the moon. September to June and July, we can sleep in your room. Never way too soon. You go home to your favorite tune, like.
Boss, where are we headed?
Bro, you already know.
Oh, but first day in Shanghai, showing these guys around.
Oh, bro,
We're gonna do some product research.
Exactly, yeah. We're going to Dropship Central.
Dropship Central.
Dropship Central. I swear, bro, it's gonna be nostalgic to these guys.
Yeah.
Because you'll see, there's so many projects.
4 years ago.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, I sold 20,000 of those.
Bro, the posture corrector, the flosser, all the big winners.
Bro, you have
from back
everything,
then.
bro.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, everything.
Flip-flops.
The flip-flops.
Yeah.
Orthopedic sandals.
Yeah.
Everything in store.
Hopefully.
Let's hit it, boys.
Alright.
We're back again.
Yeah, and I saw
Showing the
one
boys
client
Dropship
also
Central.
done with the day one. He's
Here we go.
Bro, they can't trust the runs. 4 Europeans. Big pocket.
150?
Yeah.
No, wait. 200.
Okay.
Very good friends. I'm Ivory. I'm helping Vince and Daniel with their work. We want to negotiate and talk about an opportunity to work together. We have a new plan. We have a lot of customers.
Yeah, I think you should add on this voice note that it's very important that we just know very transparent what the prices are, because then we can just move mountains, you know.
Yeah, Ivory， 谢谢你说明现在的情况。上架一下，最重要的现在是我们有很透明的一个合作关系。
Vince, what advice do you give your younger self?
What the hell? Don't
Out of
build,
nowhere, bro.
Yeah, like the advice to yourself, don't build your team on pipeline.
You gotta build it up a little bit, bro. It's gotta be. You need to warm him up a little bit, bro.
He's ready for it.
Of course, just put a camera on me and I'm ready
Yeah.
to spit some bars, you know. Anyway, advice to my younger self is just start quicker and don't hesitate too much, you know. You'll find your success along the way, not in the beginning. And the grass is greener on the other side. Don't believe, don't look up to others. Just focus on your own path. Don't compare your chapter 1 to somebody else chapter 20.
I think my advice would really be to just. I honestly think it all comes down to believing. If you believe it's possible, that's when you can make it happen. 这里可以下车。对，这里可以下车。Thanks.
I love it. Bro, I don't know if you're camping or not.
我看一下。哦，还有这个。
咱们要这个是吧？
对，要这个留过。Yeah. 好，可以了。
你可以是吧？
Free card, but I need to pay with Apple Pay in Apple, not with WeChat
他会
Pay.
卡 Apple Pay 跟你
No WeChat. I need Apple Pay.
How does the Apple Store not have Apple Pay?
Yeah, that will be a shame. It will be bad for the branding.
你没电
I have to pay with a competitive payment, and I can use Google Pay here.
？No.
Dus wat hun eigenlijk doen is ze kopen bij een fabriek in China. Ze hebben een packaging, ze hebben een product.
So what Vince and I are currently working on is something that we've been chatting about for months now, and that is essentially disrupting the entire supply chain niche within the world. So when we talk about direct-to-consumer brands and the way they interact with China, also in line with my story, obviously, growing up on this side of the world, speaking the language in combination with the knowledge that and the network that comes through Vince around direct-to-consumer brand, like being a direct-to-consumer brand owner himself, we're really trying to do something that no one is, first of all, able to do, and also no one is doing it because it's just not been done before.
Just like we can close the gap on a lot of things. So for brands that are originally, like, for example, targeting worldwide, international, because we see a lot of brands, for example, me myself started, for example, in the Netherlands, now expanding worldwide. So why would we ship all international orders from the Netherlands while we have to consistently work on getting freight from China to the Dutch warehouse with boat? And it's not workable to just keep on buying stock with boat, because we are scaling, and when you're scaling hard, you need to send it with air. And I don't know if they know, but sending it by air consistently is eating up your margins, and not only your margins, but also the time that it takes to get it from the Chinese warehouse back to your Chinese Dutch warehouse. It's just not helping when you're scaling. When you want to do a higher revenue, you cannot consistently have no stock, low stock, or some of the collections out of stock. Actually have the warehouse in China receive your stock in a half a day. If it in the morning the stock is prepared by the factory, they just ship it straight from the factory to the Chinese warehouse, with now the shipping partners that we're collabing with just can deliver it in 5 to 8 days. And when the expectations meet their requirements, then I don't see any negatives of it, only positive, especially when you want to scale your store, because it will help you much more with everything. And that's basically the supply chain. To answer your question, supply chain is a part of the back end to deliver it to the front end. So when a customer buys, what happens when a customer press that buy button, what's going in place? That is the whole supply chain that we make in a solution to let the people scale hard, you know.
另外一个意思吗？
let's
还有多吗？
没有了应该。
Catch.
Good job. Good job.
Plan today.
So, as per the usual, we're driving 3 hours to Ningbo. Gonna cross that massive bridge. In fact, the world's largest bridge.
Really?
Yeah, no, but we're going to Ningbo. Got a few meetings in, and then by far the biggest deal I will.
Are you nervous?
No, nah. It's fucking huge, bro.
Yeah.
It's really fucking huge. 姐姐啊，好久不见啊！
他说这是他弟弟，是我的姐，他的我的姐姐，我是姐姐，他弟弟啊。
对啊。
对啊。你们是什么地方的？
Having met you is the biggest gift you could give me.
No way.
Bro, she said that.
No way.
Yes, bro. She was like,
不要了。
I don't need money.
不要了，我
Having
不要
met
了
you is the biggest gift.
我问你吃不吃？
我吃过啊，我吃过。没有 bro, she wants to buy us one. No, 不要。
那个4个4个，拿4个。
小心。
She wants
不要。
to
Bro.
拿4个。
Bro, she wants to buy us 4 man. No, bro.
有的我有的。
没事，我非常感谢你要一个吗？
啊，我不要呀，你们4个呢，我们吃它了。阿姨。这样，阿姨啊。
To try now. I asked if I can pay the shop, then they give me cash, and then we'll give her. Yeah.
Wait, what are you gonna do?
So I wanna, bro. She's so nice, man. I wanna give her some. In Chinese, so by the way, in Chinese it's very normal to give someone a hongbao, which is a red envelope, to give them money. It's like when things go well, you take care of the people around you, which is a very nice thing. 给你，真的给你。
不要了，你吃这，你吃这种。
不是，这是我送给你的，因为我非常感谢，你是非常友好。
不好意思啊，
没事，
不好意思。
我送红包给你，因为我祝你辛苦，祝你
愉快，
对，
幸福愉快。
对，我祝你愉快，对，因为新年过的，所以我这个就送给你。
就是感觉小吴准备的我给。
我说你好，外国人。
天天在这里干的。
Okay. Bro, she's here every day. She's been here every day for 40 years straight.
No, fuck off.
Yeah, bro. She's never left this place.
Tell her we get an office in Shanghai.
没
She
学
can
学，不
work
是
for us.
人没有，干活的人没有，老人没有。他们天天叫我们跟着。
Wow, man. Bro, she was about to cry, man. Yeah. 帮你。不用客气啊，谢谢。
看着，一路平安啊。
好，谢谢。
开慢啊，
好的
慢慢开啊。
好，拜拜。Bro, she
Like
was
putting a
fucking-
smile on somebody's face like that is priceless, man. It's really
Wow, man.
priceless.
Bro, when she wanted to treat us these things,
Yeah, that's ridiculous, man.
Bro,
it's
she
not
said-
the fact that it's this, it's the fact of the gesture, you know? It's crazy, man. I've
bro,
never had.
and you know what's the crazy thing? She has never left this place in 40 years, bro. Can you believe that?
Yeah. 40 years?
40 years, bro.
That's ridiculous, man.
Well, you mean like traveled outside of here?
Bro, she lives like behind here. Work hard overseas. Seeing shit like this humbles them, bro, because I can tell you there is no one out there that works 40 years straight every day
Like that.
in a place like that
Crazy.
and makes more hours than anyone, bro.
Yeah, ridiculous, bro.
It's well, put things in perspective, man. And
Short after empty and full.
yeah, because this office is gonna be very full.
That's only for a movie. Like if we are on Netflix, we're not on Netflix.
Life is a fucking movie.
It is.
That is very true.
Yes, that's it, bro.
So one day,
We're gonna feel this shit.
What you're seeing here in this warehouse is fulfillment direct from China, and what we've been seeing is a massive trend for brands to start going global and fulfill from China. And this is the warehouse that we have been working with for quite a while now.
我们没办法。那如果他们有反馈，肯定会告诉你，真的100%那个质量会非常高。那还有呢，那个价格会非常便宜。对。那为什么这个也是非常 integration into their system? Because we are the same as them, but we are also China. So what we do, we just bridge the gap so perfectly.
Meeting the people behind the screen that are responsible for all the products you ship.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's funny, especially Alan, that guy, bro. He's like literally 24/7. He's my account manager. I ping him no matter what time, no matter what day, no matter any moment. Immediately.
Which guy?
Alan.
Hey,
Say Alan.
please.
My account boy. Say it to my brothers.
Hello.
This is Alan. He's the genius, super good guy. 谢谢。
谢谢。
当然，我是差不多的中国人了。这是给你。
我爱你。
Good trip. It's super cool to see how, as I said, I try to say this in the factory as well, but I don't think I finished the story properly. But it's really cool to see how, you know, someone that's been in the direct-to-consumer space for a long time, to finally see how many people they actually put to work with their business. And even though for a lot of guys it's a Shopify notification on their phone, but indirectly you're employing hundreds of people, especially if you're doing volume like this guy does.
Crazy how much people like. I also FaceTime with my brother Nick, and he was just in the office in Amsterdam, and I told him, listen, bro, you think that the only people we are employing are sitting with you in the office, bro? But have a look at this. I filmed the factory where like literally 50 people were packing, stitching, making sure the branding, everything is proper. From the packaging to the seal, everything, you know. I see a whole floor of people working on our products with our stock. I was filming. My brother could not believe his eyes, you know, because he's not in that China, he's in Amsterdam, just seeing Shopify analytics, and of course he knows that we move product and that we move weight, but seeing it like coming together here in the factory floor is literally crazy, man. Really crazy, because they were preparing a stock batch to be sent to our warehouse here in China, and it was just stacked to the roof, man. It was like, holy hell, are we moving this type of weight? And like, I see sometimes pictures and stuff, but now here seeing everything on the floor, and also these guys telling us that they are having like 2 floors of people working just for us, is crazy, man. Really crazy.
Yeah, it was a good trip. It's nice. China can be draining, but it's always
it is draining, man, but yeah.